Hello, everyone. In today's video, we are sharing an amazing, science-backed DIY hair growth remedy fenugreek toner. This homemade hair spray not only promotes faster hair growth but also reduces hair fall, strengthens roots, and fights dandruff. If you're tired of thinning, damaged, or weak hair, then watch this video till the end. Section 1. Benefits of fenugreek for hair. Fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and iron, two essential nutrients for hair growth. They contain nicotinic acid and lecithin, which deeply nourish the scalp and provide intense moisture. Fenugreek is a natural DHT blocker, helping to prevent hair thinning and excessive shedding. Its anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties help eliminate dandruff and soothe an irritated scalp. Section 2. How to make fenugreek toner. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons fenugreek seeds, 1 cup water, 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel, 4 to 5 drops rosemary essential oil, boosts hair growth. Method: soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. In the morning, blend the soaked seeds and strain the liquid to extract the infused water. Add aloe vera gel and rosemary oil to the strained water and mix well. Pour into a spray bottle and store in the fridge for up to 5 to 7 days. Section 3. How to use it for best results. Spray the toner directly onto your scalp and hair, especially on areas where hair fall is more noticeable. Massage gently for a few minutes to enhance absorption. Use it as a leave-in treatment, no need to wash it off. For best results, apply it at least 4 to 5 times a week. Section 4. Results and pro tips. Consistency is key. With regular use, you should start noticing results in 4 to 8 weeks. Pair this toner with a healthy diet rich in protein, vitamins, and hydration for faster growth. If your hair is extremely dry, you can add a few drops of olive or coconut oil for extra nourishment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an amazing hair care tip.